Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to Simply Krystle. I'm so happy you guys are here. I have the cutest look for any occasion and any type of temperature in the weather. Y'all, it is this look that I'm wearing right here, and I'm going to give you all the tea. Just go ahead and continue to watch. I'll show you a quick installation, and then I'll finish up the video with my first impressions and what I think about this unit. If you have not already subscribed to Simply Krystle, I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss a thing whenever I share content with you guys. Y'all, get ready, put your seatbelts on, because when I tell you this is the easiest look, this is the easiest look.
Let yourself unfold.
Girl, yes, girl. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but y'all, I am so excited to show you guys this look. When I tell you, I know I've told you guys about the other wigs that are like grab and go. Literally, this is grab and go. It's 100% human hair. So easy to do. So let's go ahead and put her on, okay? So I have the Water Wave. I kind of fluffed it out a little bit just with my fingers. I have not done anything, y'all. This is like literally right out of the pack, okay? It has like these cute little bangs, and then it has this realistic, I love this in the middle of the wig. I feel it makes the wig look so real. So it does have that little mock lace piece in the middle. It definitely steps it up and doesn't give it away that this is a throw on look, but y'all, this is a throw on look, okay? I can say I love the construction of the wig. There's like this soft piece right here. That part lays right on top of your forehead, and it's so soft where it's not going to irritate your skin, okay? So let's go ahead and put her on. Y'all, and we're done. And we're done, y'all, and we're done. We can walk out the door, y'all, and it is so soft. Like, do y'all see this? Oh, let me put some earrings on. Oh my gosh, this is just, oh, do y'all, I'm so excited about this wig. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me just, I can't. I'm getting so excited. Let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. I'm going to give you guys all the tea, all the nitty gritty, even though there's not really a lot of nitty gritty, because when I tell y'all, this has just been a breeze. This is so easy. But I want to give you guys my full thoughts. If you are interested in the full review of this wig, the pros, the cons, all of that, just continue to watch. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like this video. Leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know if you are picking one of these up, because everybody needs it. Everybody needs one of these. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons of YASGRL's no glue, no adhesive wig. This is the water wig. Oh my God. This is the Water Wave 12 inches, I believe, with bangs wig. It has this little mock lace part in the middle, and y'all, when I tell y'all this was easy as 1, 2, 3, this is easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so cons. Let's go ahead and start there. And then we'll wrap it up with the pros. Y'all, I ain't got nothing bad to say about this wig. I don't have not one con, okay? So I'm going to tell you everything that I love, which is everything, okay? I love how soft this wig is. That's the first thing I noticed. The moment I took it out of the bag, it was so soft. I love the curl pattern on this unit. From the pictures that I saw, I thought it would be a little bit more of a tighter curl. However, I'm not mad at it. This is like a water wave. So, well, water wave, I was expecting it to be a little bit more tighter. However, I don't, look, this is perfect how it is. Whatever they want to call it, they can call it. Because yes, girl, this is this is it. This is like the perfect throw on and go wig. No sprays, no adhesive, no lace along the hairline. I absolutely love that this is beginner friendly. If you are just now starting to get into wigs, if you are in between hairstyles, you took your braids out and you got to run to the grocery store or drop the kids off before you go to your beautician or head back home to style your hair, this is a great option to throw on in between styles. It's also great if you want to step out, date night, whatever night, girls night, brunch, whatever. This is a great, well-rounded unit. You can wear it anywhere and be prepared for the occasion. I love that. It's beginner friendly. It's great for in-between hairstyles. Y'all, if you're not already on the website, I don't know what you're doing because you should already be grabbing this unit. It is so cute and so comfortable on my head, which brings me to my next pro. I love that this is big head friendly. Y'all know I got a big old head, okay? So when I find units that fit comfortably, baby, I'm gonna tell you, big head girls, we are fitting up in here with additional room. And I'm gonna tell you how big head friendly this is. The strap that helps your wig stay down like the elastic band already comes constructed into the wig. And I have that on. I barely ever wear that because it's too tight on my head, and I have it on and it does not feel tight. Now it is on the last setting on the adjustable straps. I'm not using any of the combs because y'all know how I feel about combs. But baby, we in here. Big head girls. This is perfect for us. Let alone when it does start warming back up, this would be a great option because you don't have to fool with the lace. Oh my goodness, if you don't like lace or you need an option for when it's hot, and you know how it is, y'all, in the summertime, in the spring. Like, I live in Texas, so it gets hot here. This is perfect for any occasion. Y'all run and grab you one. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I truly appreciate you guys. Huge shout out to YASGRL for sponsoring today's video and sending this unit out to me to share with you guys. I hope you guys loved everything you saw here today. If so, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am on the road to 1K, and I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it so you do not miss a thing on Simply Krystle. Share this with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Breathe in some love.